Effect on calcium metabolism, it inhibits intestinal absorption as well as increases the excretion of calcium, inhibit vitamin D3 action, and mainly affect the spongy bones like vertebrae and ribs, and that can lead to osteoporosis. GI's effect, it increases the production of gastric acid as well as pepsin and decreases the cytoprotective effect of prostaglandins. So altogether it can lead to peptic ulceration. Anti-neoplastic action, it shows anti-cancer action because of the following effect. One is it dissolute the pathological lymphocyte and lymphoid tissue, what called a lympholytic action. Second, it inhibits the growth of mesenchymal cancer tissue. This is more important because it prevents the metastasis. You can see that EMT, epithelial mesenchymal tissue, which can travel to the lymphoid or lymph and reach other tissues and can spread the cancer. So it inhibits the growth of mesenchymal cancer tissue. And finally, a widespread anti-inflammatory action is also found to be useful in anti-cancer action. Anti-inflammatory action, it shows a widespread anti-inflammatory action. It can suppress all type of inflammation. That's why one reason why this drug is many times prescribed by the physician for any type of inflammatory conditions, and it suppresses both early and late phases of inflammation, prevents chemotaxis. I hope you are aware about that in the invitation of inflammatory cells to the site of inflammation by the chemical mediators, decreases the production of interleukins 1 and 2 as well as TNF alpha, again chemotactic factors, inhibit histamine release from the basophils as well as the mast cells, and inhibit fibroblast proliferation and scar formation, and decreases the activation of T cells. T cells, they are mainly involved in cell mediated immunity, decreases the T cell, one of the reasons for inflammation or long-term inflammation, and suppresses all the cardinal signs of inflammation, that is calor, rubor, tumor, dolor. Calor, increase in temperature. Wherever there is an inflammation, there is an increase in temperature in the site. Rubor, redness because of increased blood flow to the site to overcome the basic cause. Tumor, that is swelling, and dolor, it's pain at the site. So all the 4 cardinal signs of inflammations are prevented.